Dear students, now I am continuing exercise 12.2. Question number 3. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper. Find total area of paper used. The aeroplane is in this form. It is a triangle. Below the triangle there is a rectangle. Then below the rectangle there is a trapezium, and these are the right angled triangles on the sides of it. Clearly, figure is divided into 5 parts. Number 1 part, number 2 part, number 3 part, number 4 part, and number 5 part. Now, part 1 is triangle ABC, in which AB is 5 centimeter, AC is 5 centimeter, and BC is 1 centimeter. Because it is written here 1, then it is also 1. Then S is equal to P by 2. It is 5 plus 5 plus 1 divided by 2, 11 by 2. It is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Now S minus A is 5 minus 5, 5.5 minus 5, it is 0.5. S minus B is 5.5 minus 5, it is 0.5. S minus C is 5.5 minus 1 is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now area of triangle ABC is 5.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 4.5 square root. That is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. It is 55 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 45 by 10 square root. Now when we solve it, from these two tens we bring one 10 common, and then from these two 10 one more 10, then it will become 1 upon 100. Then square root of 55 into 5 into 5 into 45. Now the prime factorization of 55 is 11 into 5, then 5 into 5 is as such, and 45 is 5 into 9, that is 5 into 3 into 3. Now on solving this we get 1 by 100 into 5 into 5 into 3 into square root of 11. Then it becomes equal to 3 by 4 square root 11 centimeter square. Now the part 2 of the figure is this. Part 2 is a rectangle. Part 2 is area of rectangle BPQC. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 6.5 centimeter. It is given here. Length is 6.5 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Length is 6.5 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. Then area is length into breadth. It is 6.5 into 1 is equal to 6.5 centimeter square. Then part 3. Part 3 is this trapezium. Now in this area of triangle QTS, we have made a parallelogram by drawing QT parallel to PR. We have drawn QT parallel to PR by ourselves. Now it is 1 centimeter and it is 2 centimeter. It means that this is obviously, because this is a parallelogram, it will be 1 centimeter and TS will be 1 centimeter left. Breadth is area of triangle QTS is QT is equal to 1 centimeter, QS is equal to 1 centimeter, QT is 1 centimeter. It is given from here because these are the sides of parallelogram. This one is QS is also 1 centimeter and TS is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1 centimeter. Then TS is equal to 1 centimeter. Then QTS is equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is square root 3 by 4 into side square. That we had done yesterday in the questions, how to find the area of equilateral triangle, and it became equal to square root 3 by 4 side square. Square root 3 by 4 side is 1, then it is square root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Now area of trapezium ABCD is half of 1 plus 2 into square root 3 by 2. Half of 1 plus 2 into square root 3 by 2. Square root 3 by 2 is the height here. Square root 3 by 2 is the height. Half of 1 plus 2 into square root 3 by 2. How we have calculated the height? See here, area of equilateral triangle that we have found is square root 3 by 4. And area of equilateral triangle can also be written as half of base into height is equal to square root 3 by 4. Now base is 1 centimeter. Half of 1 into height is square root 3 by 4. Then height will be equal to, from here we will get height is equal to square root 3 by 4 into 2. Then height is square root 3 by 2. Height is equal to square root 3 by 2. That height we have used here. Now area of trapezium is half of base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height. What is the formula for area of trapezium? It is half of base 1 plus base 2 into height. Half of base 1 is 1 centimeter and base 2 is 2 centimeter into height is square root 3 by 2. Then it is half of 2 plus 1 is 3 into square root 3 by 2. It is equal to 3 square root 3 by 4. Now part 4 and 5. Part 4 and 5 are two right angled triangles on the sides. Area of triangle 4 and 5 is half of base into height. Half of base is 1.5 and height is, see here, half of base into height. Base into height. Height is 6 and base is 1.5 centimeter given. This base is given 1.5 centimeter. Then it is equal to 2 3s are 6, 1.5 into 3, 4.5 centimeter square. Half of base into height we have used here. Now area of paper required will be sum of areas of all parts. It is 3 into square root 11 by 4 plus 6.5 plus 3 square root 3 by 4 plus 4.5 plus 4.5. Now we have added all the areas. Now on adding we have got 19.26 centimeter square. That is the answer. We have put the values of square roots here. Square root 11 is 3.32 and square root 3 is 1.73. Now we have put the values. After putting the values and solving these equations by taking the LCM, we have got the area 19.26 centimeter square. I am showing you this question once again, so that it should become easy to do in your notebook.